What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jack back at it again with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted, but life's just been busy. But yeah, we got the little Mark IV here. Beamer's outside. So today the video is gonna be on the Beamer. I'm thinking of putting 19Ts in it, just because the transmission blew out. I was like, might as well turn into a little pocket rocket before it comes out. But yeah, I've got it on some jack stands and let's get started. All right, well, this is the next day. Haven't done anything, but let me give you a little background on the car. So this is my 2007 335i. Cosmetics, I've done E90 M3 style bumper, these custom DRLs. Other than that, I've got big inlets, dual intakes, and a downpipe, and then catch can in the back, and a little valve and a charge pipe, but that's about it. So the main reason I decided to work on the car was the transmission ended up giving me shift solenoid problems and so on and so forth. And I was like, you know what, might as well turn it to a big turbo and a little pocket rocket. But so the transmission solenoids ended up getting turned out to be used, so gotta buy some more. But other than that, I mean, might as well go big turbo now, you know. We'll see about the transmission when it gets to it. So let's put the turbo in. Well, the coolant is finally draining. I've got the coolant tank off. And with that, the top portion is almost done. Now we just gotta, I guess, put the engine mount on and drop the sub. Okay, so far I've dropped control arms and everything on both sides. Now I just gotta take off the rack and pinion, take out all the oil, and then just take the engine mount bolts off, and that's about it. And then we can just drop the subframe in. Then I guess downpipes, water pump, thermostat, and then we get to the turbos. Let's get to it. I've got the subframe out. It is looking a little crusty, I ain't gonna lie. Look at all that oil fucking deposit on it. Holy, thing's in a dire need of a clean. But now I just gotta do the downpipes and water pump, thermostat, inlets, outlets, and turb skis. But low-key, this is a pretty sketch setup for the brakes. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of unsteady. Oh well, hopefully I don't die. Damn, with the subframe mount, there's so much more space to get everything out, but I think I might do the oil pan gasket as well, since it is a little musty. I mean, look at all that. Yikes. But well, I just found out I did not even need to remove the O2 sensor. I could have just disconnected it. So if you're doing this, you can just disconnect the O2 sensor and drop the downpipe. Don't be like me. Okay, both the downpipes are finally out. I did end up stripping one of the bolts while I was trying to get it out, but oh well. At least it's out now. But now I just gotta remove the water pump, and then all the lines on the turbo return and feed, and then it's the Turfski's time. Struggle, but we finally got them out. Well, it is now night, and yeah, after taking the turbos out, I had a bunch of stuff I need to get done. So I'm just thinking of turning this into a 3-part series on the Beamer. We'll call it a budget Beamer build, I guess. I mean, if you guys like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.